Hey guys, it's Joanne here, and today I am bringing you, yes, another one of my Nadine West try-on hauls, unboxings, whatever you want to call it. If you are not familiar with Nadine West is a clothing subscription service where you pay a flat fee, a minimal flat fee. I believe it is right around $10. And they send you a package of clothing. You try them on at home. You decide to keep whatever you want, and then the price of the monthly subscription gets subtracted from the total amount of items that you want to keep. This haul for me covers like 2 months worth of subscription. I believe it was April's and May's. Because Nadine West sends me these packages to try on and to review for you guys, they actually do send me a few extra items in my packages, but normally you get about 5 items each month, and it's a combination of tops, bottoms, and jewelry or accessories. So without further ado, let's get right into all these items that I got. So we first want to talk about leggings. I think for me, Nadine West has amazing leggings. They are very comparable to the LuLaRoe brand that has been floating around out on social media. If you've heard of that, they're very soft, very comfortable leggings. And the company that they use for the most part, Nadine West, I believe is called Leggings Depot. And so I'm just gonna show you some of the leggings that I've gotten over the past couple of months. First, this one is more of a workout pant, but it is in the legging fabric. So it's not like a really heavy duty supportive fabric. It's more of a legging fabric. But what I like about these is that they have side pockets for your phone, and it's capri length, and they also have this cute little X pattern at the bottom on each side of the leg. So I got a pink pair, and this is, let me just double check the name. This is called Show. The brand on this is Show. It's not the Leggings Depot. This is another pair. This is a full length legging all the way to the bottom. Very, very soft fabric. And this company is actually called Design USA. But again, it feels almost identical to the other leggings that they offer from the Leggings Depot. Getting down here. Okay. Leggings Depot, so this is what I'm talking about. That's the brand. And this pattern, I love this pattern. It's kind of has like this white, looks like almost, I don't know, I don't want to call it like distressed look pattern to it. And this is a full length legging. I'm not gonna try on the leggings. I know they fit me. I've tried them on in other one of my hauls. I do have one pair on that's a capri length. I'll show you those. But yeah, so always love a good black pair of leggings. And then the last pair of leggings that is full length. Again, Leggings Depot is this kind of, almost looks like it's like ink blotting fabric, ink blotting pattern with black and maroon. And again, it is full length leggings. And I'll show you the leggings that I have on here. So the leggings that I have on are, like I said, capri length, and they're so buttery soft, guys. Like seriously, I cannot get enough of these leggings. And it's perfect length for summertime. They don't get too hot. They're very breathable. Definitely something that you can rock in the summer months. Let's continue on with the pants. Another pair of pants that they sent me were these, I really loved this pattern. And this also is like, it feels like it's the legging material. Wide waistband up on top. It is from the Show company, which one of the other leggings that I showed you was the Show. And it kind of bells out at the bottom. Now I will say this about these because I actually previously did try these on. This is actually the second time that I'm recording this haul because the first time it didn't work out. We won't get into why it didn't work out, but I had to end up re-recording it. These are actually really, really long. Like, this is for somebody who is probably in excess of 6 feet. When I put these up, these are literally touching the floor right now, and the top is coming to my girls. So there's no way, if I had these waist length, I am literally going to need to hem these up by like this much if I was to actually wear these. So unfortunately, I would not normally be keeping a product like this. I would actually be returning it and saying, can you send me something else, or I'm not interested in this pant for this particular month. How about, let's talk about another item that I did try on and I just can't explain to you what this thing is. So maybe you guys can let me know in the comments below what type of pants these exactly are. But this is like this way, it almost looks like it's supposed to go up over the breasts. But I don't, it's not, it doesn't have any structure that it would actually stay up, and I don't think it's a waistband, because, or maybe it's just a waistband that would flop down. I'm not 100% sure. They're more like a jeanie pant, very, very flowy. I don't know. I still have to play around with these to see if I would actually be able to wear these, but they would fit if this kind of gathers down. So maybe that's what it has to do. But let me know let me know in the comments below what you guys think of these. This is by the brand Hippie Chic, which is a very, very common brand that Nadine West sends out in their monthly subscriptions. Let's talk about tops right now, and this is one of the tops. This is one of my favorite tops that I got from these past 2 months, and I loved this because of the like sweetheart neckline, 3 gold buttons down the front, and this is by the company Hippie Chic, and it comes to just about the hip area. Let's talk about their dress shirts. Now, these 2 dress shirts are so adorable, and they're very similar, so that's why I wanted to talk to you about them in the same. This is by the company DNA Couture, and this is also a DNA Couture. The sizing on this was supposed to be an extra large, and it fits me, these both fit me in the body, but it was really, really tight in the arms, and I just could not, I cannot see myself actually being able to wear these and having it be comfortable enough for me, because I must have bigger upper arms, but that's where I really struggled with the sizing. So kind of just to let you guys know, if you're normally a size like me and you get something like this from Nadine West, if you're asking for dress shirts, you may want to make sure you go up a size so that the arms will fit you. So these would be some, normally I would love these, I would wear these, but hopefully I can find a friend or two that will take these off my hands. Here's another dress shirt that I thought was really, really nice. It's also from the same company, this DNA Couture. This actually did fit me. I tried this on, I'll show you. This is actually a full-length shirt, but it gives you the option to be able to button it up. They also give you an extra button, which I think is brilliant. And I really loved the front pleating and the tie. What I'm not 100% sure about with this is the fabric. And I'm kind of very picky about fabric. I love things that are soft on the body. I don't like anything that's like really, really scratchy. If I have a dress shirt on, it has to be a real like smooth fabric that's not going to be scratchy, and this definitely feels like it's a scratchy material. But I will give it a shot and see how I tolerate the texture. So the last dress shirt they gave me, and this one is a Hippie Chic. I loved the fabric. I'm not sure, this might be a little bit too big for me, but I will try this on for you guys. But I loved the gathering on each of the sides of these. I loved the color. It's blue. Blue's one of my favorite colors. And I love the big scoop line, but I'm just thinking this is supposed to be an extra large. I'm just thinking the scoop, I just think this might in general just be too big for me, but we will try it on and see how we make out. So when it comes to the more casual shirts from Nadine West, they really did an awesome job these past couple of packages. This is also one of my favorite ones. This is just a really cute pink t-shirt, and look at the embroidery on the side. Just real good attention to detail, and of course it has a nice scooped neck. Again, the company is hippie chic. I tend to do really well with the hippie chics. Once you start getting monthly subscriptions from Nadine West, you start to get more familiar with the sizing with the different brands that they end up sending you. So really liked this pink shirt. Here's another shirt they sent me, and this is more of like a, I guess you would call this what, like hippie, boho. The company is hippie chic, very, very soft, very comfortable feeling shirt. It's long in length, and it has the, again, the scoop collar, three-quarter length sleeves. It's one thing I wanted to mention with these past two packages. Now keep in mind, these were April's and May's packages, and I would think that we would be getting more summery items in those months before summer actually hits. And I'm still getting three-quarter length button-up shirts. I would like to see more tank tops. I would like to see more cap sleeves, maybe more capris or more shorts or skirts. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my profile, which is something you can do with Nadine West. I'm gonna hop onto my profile, double check my settings, and maybe put in a request to see if for my next package, if I can make sure I get some shorts and some tank tops and some more summery attire. But I was kind of hoping that I would get more summery items just automatically in those 2 months. So this shirt is also a really, really cute shirt. I loved the fact that it has the V-neck, and I loved the piping on the neck and around the sleeves. And it's just a nice, comfortable, casual shirt. And the last two casual shirts that they sent me was this really cute gray distressed look that has Paris on it with the Eiffel Tower. I just thought this would be really cute to wear with like a pair of black shorts or a pair of jeans. And then this one is, what's the company on this one? Sorry. The company on this one is called, or the brand on this one is called Popular 2-1. And this one is also a Popular 2-1, same size. I'm gonna try this on and see how it fits, but this is, I'm thinking this one seems a little bit smaller for some reason to me. But it's like the baseball shirt with the three-quarter length sleeves, just like a traditional baseball jersey style shirt. So just really, really loving the casual tops that they gave me these past 2 months. And of course, Duders is itching. Duders. So I wanted to talk just for a few minutes on some of the jewelry that I got in these past 2 months. Nadine West normally sends you 2 or 3 different items to kind of mix and match and to use with whatever outfits you want to put together. One of them is this really cute necklace that they sent me. Now the one thing I'm noticing about this necklace is that as you're walking around and stuff, it does tend to twist. So you just have to kind of watch it and make sure that it doesn't twist round and round and round. I got this really cute bracelet from them, which is black, and it has like this, I don't know if you can see the sparkle bling to it. And we got a pair, I'll see if I get a close-up of these earrings that I have on. These are really cute. And then they sent me one other pair of earrings, which I really like, which is these dangly earrings. They really have done an awesome job sending me, like, I haven't told them to change anything with regards to the jewelry because they just really have done an awesome job picking up on my style with the jewelry items that they've picked for me. So that is going to end my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Joanne. It's so nice to meet you. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe, hit that notification bell, and become part of my YouTube family. And for those of you who are already part of the YouTube family, thank you so much for stopping back on my channel. I really appreciate your support. You guys be awesome. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'm gonna chat with you in my next video. Bye guys.